Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, here to introduce to you Santa Claus Lane. You probably recognize this if you've been watching our videos for any time at all. We introduced this actually twice before, and both years those kits sold out within just 24 hours, continuing to get requests to please make it again. And of course, when I saw Old Time Christmas collection from Northcott, I knew that was my fabric collection. I had a wonderful time putting in these fabrics. That's what you're seeing behind me here. And Jan Patek is the designer of Santa Claus Lane, and she has graciously allowed us to once again prefuse and laser cut that for you, which is wonderful. Basically, you'll be getting all of those shapes already cut out for you with heat and bond on the back. Simply peel the paper off, and you'll be able to applique those down to the background with the option of stitching those down with our add-on of the 50-weight thread set from Sulky. We'll be sure to include, of course, your outer border, your binding, and your backing, all from Old Time Christmas as well. So we're offering this on a reserve. We don't want you to miss out this time. We are making our kits literally right now. If this is one you're like, yes, I do not want to miss out this time, you're able to reserve your kit right now for just $10. Once the kits are complete, we'll bill you for the difference plus some shipping and get that kit right out. Of course, that will include the pattern as well. Some of the things that we use to make our quilt behind us, of course, are creative grid rulers. I really love the 2.5-inch ruler on this one because that's the size of our outer border. I use the light box and the applique pressing mat to pre-assemble our shapes in conjunction with a layout diagram, moving those onto the background as one piece, which really helps keep the registration and orientation exactly where you want that. So it's the scene is just coming out perfect. I love that combination. We use the super nonstick size 80-12 needle, of course, because we are going through that fusible webbing. And our usual suspects of our marking tools, patchwork pins, of course, a fresh rotary blade in your rotary cutter, and so on. So if this is one that speaks to you, be sure to grab your kit this time. Don't miss out. Let a friend know as well, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.